You said sunny ways, but the clouds rolled in. Charisma fades when the rents due again. Ethics like smoke, carbon tax in your veins. We're all just pawns in your legacy game. Promises rise, promises fall. Is anybody here left standing at all? Ballot box rebellion. Hey, spin the wheel, we're trapped in your hell again. Left or right, it's the same old fight. Who's got the matches to burn down Parliament? You scream, axe the tax like a broken LP, but who gets the crumbs from your CEO feast? Crypto dreams in your populist scheme. The working class ain't part of your meme. Red rose in your lap, but the thorns cut deep. Coalition deals while we can't afford heat. You preach the dream, but the system still needs the revolution to TikTok straight. Red rose in your lapel, but the thorns cut deep. Coalition deals while we can't afford heat. You preach the dream, but the system still mean. Is the revolution just a TikTok screen?